And then, of course, our big prize this morning, we're giving away flights, accommodation and VIP tickets for 2 people to attend the Night of Champions that's happening on the 27th of November. Our very own Ewan Strydom is going up against top billings Jonathan Boynton Lee in a charity fight. The likes of Carl Wasty, Ryan Buerta, Rob van Vuuren and Sivan Gessie are going to be taking part for a very good cause as well. You can get involved by SMSing the word travel to 33728 to stand a chance of winning and complete the sign up as well. We'll be there. Of course, all of Expresso is going to be there as well, and you get to meet us, so take part in that competition. We'll be right back after the break. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned and you could win a VIP experience at Night of Champions. Win a 3-night stay in Cape Town for 2 and watch Ewan Strydom take on Jonathan Boynton Lee in an exhibition match. To enter, SMS TRAVEL to 33728 and sign up to our travel community.